Quick market update, going to be like a 4-minute video. Basically, all you need to know is this move right here looks impulsive to me. If you take parallel lines here, you'll see that it pretty much fits every rule you need for an impulsive move. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know where this fifth wave is going to end, but it looks like it possibly ended. My target was actually right around in here. So I'm looking for a pullback. This kind of rules out the B wave lower theory. And so now that we got an impulsive move, we can kind of shift to a few different ways this can go, but they're both higher. So invalidation is going to be below this. So if you break 379.35, then something is off, basically. So I don't think we're going to break 379.35 anytime soon. Based on this move, we should see a pullback to 383.50 to 382.50 and then move higher. We should see a third wave that would take us to about 393, pull back to 391, and then a fifth wave to about 400 if this were to play out. And so the two most likely scenarios are actually that this is actually ABC and this is ABC, or I guess there's three different possibilities. This could be the A wave too at 400, pull back. The thing with that, if this is 400, we pull back, it could potentially go above the August highs for the C wave. So I think that's less likely. I think that there is a possibility this is actually ABC, or it's actually still ABC. This is the B wave, and we're starting the C wave now, which would take us to around 415. So I guess basically to sum all that up, I think we're going to go higher short term, and potentially they're going to take this higher into Powell because they've been floating around the pivot talk. And so maybe they rise this up into Powell, and then afterwards we get a sell-off. Because it's just absolutely going crazy right now. Up 2%, Apple's going crazy. But again, just to sum it up, breaks this, my whole thesis is not correct. But until then, a second wave pullback, third wave, fourth wave, fifth wave to 400 is probably the most likely scenario. I've been selling puts all day and taking profit as it goes higher. But as you can see, it's coming down a little bit. Maybe it's starting a second wave now. There's a lot of open interest or volume. I think it was like 383.84. 383, 384 would be a good place for this to finish for options. So I could see it coming down and finishing on a second wave. So we'll have to see. The VIX is still falling. The 50% retracement is at 25.82. So that's an interesting spot. We got a lot of support in there. The dollar going higher, but it looks like it could be in a fourth wave. So I would expect another move lower, maybe to this trend line here at like 109. So that's another bullish piece of the puzzle. And honestly, if that happens, that would be completion of ABC. That would probably give us enough to get to 400. And then that could be the top. So a lot of things are lining up. But this is an impulsive move. Look for a pullback and then higher probably on Monday. So quick video, but I'll do another video after the market closes.